Biden's headed out west. The president expected to travel to Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah this week to celebrate the success of the Inflation Reduction Act as August marks the 1 year since the nearly $1 trillion spending bill it was signed into law.
Yeah, great success it's been. But a recent New York Times poll showing actually that nearly 50% of Americans describe the president's economy as poor. Joining us now, former Council of Economic Advisors Chairman Kevin Hassett. You know, it's interesting to talk to you about Bidenomics on a day like this. I was saying earlier, this president has nothing to run on for re-election. Certainly, his economic policy has been a complete failure, and more Americans than ever are starting to wake up to that, Kevin. I mean, you know, they spent $6 trillion in 2 years, and the American people are going to be paying for that for the next 2 decades.
Yeah, or even longer. You know, one way I like to put things in perspective is to compare what we think today to what we just thought a little while ago. And I looked back at 2019 when I was still in the White House. The forecast by the Congressional Budget Office for spending for this year was a whopping $5.3 trillion. They were forecasting that there'd be $1 trillion deficit. Well, this year's spending is going to be $6.3 trillion. Okay, so we're $1 trillion higher than was forecasted back in 2019, and that's just in 1 year. So that means, you know, $10 trillion or more if it grows over 10 years. And so these Biden policies are incredibly irresponsible, incredibly inflationary, and the inflation numbers have sort of blipped down a little bit this summer. But with spending that high, the Federal Reserve is going to have to lift interest rates a heck of a lot more if they want inflation to get back to 2%.
And Kevin, all this spending is going to affect future growth and probably future taxes as well, right? What impact does this have?
Sure. Yeah, I mean, in the end, taxes are going to go up an enormous amount. You know, they're spending about 26% of GDP right now and raising in revenue about 19%. And so a 6% hike in taxes relative to GDP is what it would take if you really wanted to pay for this spending. And that would, you know, basically be impossible. It would crush the economy and we'd have a recession.
They put us in a box. Kevin Hassett, thank you for joining us. Appreciate it.